Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the farm. Good morning, sheepy. I've got the mum wagon and pulling it up here to the farm stand. It's 20 before 9. It opens at 9, so I gotta get it up there. Oh, I gotta count. Don't let me forget. Don't let me forget to count them when I get up there. And hold on a second, I got a text. Get the farm stand open. I gotta take some pictures and make a post. So here it is going behind us. It's a bit chilly this morning. I think when I first came out, it was 55 or something like that. So it was pretty good. I have to start getting some unusual planes right there. Hold on. I got to start getting my winter clothes out. All right, let's get this pulled down here and see if we can get it in position. I got everything kind of set up. Here's a good look at the trailer. This is really day 2 of our October mums. Get the big sign up. I got my pictures took. I'll go make a, here's the inside. Not a whole lot of veggies today. Today's Friday. I know you'll be watching this on Saturday. Tomorrow will be a big day. We'll have bread, fried pies, and all that. Or Saturday will be a big day. While you're watching this, come on out and get you some good stuff. So, what I do, I've got a little book here that I write down how many I put down here. Just kind of give you a little behind the scenes. Like I got 18 4s, 18 6s, and 15 of the bigger ones. I did have a little sticky note that I was keeping on, but I kept losing it or it got wet. And so anyway, all right. I think we're all good. Man, we have got some beautiful mums. I'm not just saying that because I grew them, or me and Allison grew them, or Allison and I, but they're really nice. I think we sold about, well, I got to count up the house, I can't remember, probably about 35 or 40 yesterday. And hopefully Saturday. Saturday is usually our biggest day, so that's pretty good for a Thursday. All right, I'm gonna go make the ad, and then we got our stuff we gotta do. So I'm gonna do my chores before I do that. I forgot how to do my morning chores, but I got the little piggies out here. Yesterday, I didn't film it, but I took a old cattle rack that goes on the truck, and I cut it down, put this tin on it, and put it down here next to the barn as a temporary holding spot. I've never had 2 pigs that like to eat as much as these 2 do, so I guess that's a good thing. They'll get fat in a hurry. But I cut it down, and I've had this thing forever, and I was going to sell it, but I don't know if anybody buy it or not. I bought this down in the holler, probably about holler down in Birchwood, Tennessee. I probably bought this probably about 20 or 25 years ago. Had it on, yeah, I had it originally on a long bed, a white Chevrolet, and I had it on a green truck, which I hated that truck. And I had a old brown with Chevrolet full long bed. It's a brown truck, and it had that light brown trim on it from the 70s or early 80s, and that's probably one of the best older trucks I ever had. And it fit the long bed good, and I got like a extended cab Chevrolet with a shorter bed on it, so I cut it down for that. And I had that truck for 20 years, or 15 years probably, and I doubt anybody would have bought it, so we got to thinking I'll just cut it down and use it as a holding pin. This would be good for anything little, like maybe even some little goats and stuff. I broke part of it. I did that a long time ago. So anyway, they'll be here good for a little while till I get that demon pig hauled off. I got a call. I don't know if government's shut down, so I don't know if we can get it inspected or not. That's why I got to call and see. Anyway, we've got kind of a plan for it, and then we'll go over it when we do it. But I think this might work for a little while anyway. Funny thing though, I had a dream about them last night. I woke up 3 o'clock in the morning in a sweat. I had a dream that I come down, me and Allison moved some chicks down here, and we was talking about the pigs, and the next thing I know, they was in the bed with us. So I don't know if that was, I woke up and I thought, oh my gosh, does that dream mean they're out running around somewhere? And but they were in bed with us and they wouldn't shut up. You know how they grunt, and I kept smacking it in the head and telling them to shut up. I got to sleep. But I woke up, so I looked around to make sure they weren't out running around the house. Stupid, ain't it? Some of the stuff. I guess I just had them on my mind, or I don't know what, but I'm glad to get them off my mind, because I know they got out. I had them in there and they got out, so I had to put them back in the cage, the little cage that I got them in, which are too big to stay in that. It's all right just to haul them in. Got out of that and put them back in there, and I tie, like the other day I was talking about, I tie wrapped them in there, tie wrapped the doors, I mean, and I don't know if I didn't have that door shut or they're just smart enough to open it, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna go do the rest of my chores, and then I gotta do that Facebook ad, and then I got lots of things to do today. Just a quick observation about my fermented feed experiment. I think I mentioned that we was gone out of town last week, and of course I didn't do any of that morning feeding like I've been doing, and this week my egg production has dropped in almost in half. I say in half, so don't know if it's because of that or because of maybe the days are getting shorter. But anyway, so I started back Sunday. Today's Friday, so we'll see if it picks back up. Got my little harvest basket here, so I'm gonna go pick some peppers, and then I'm gonna pick some tomatoes, and then I'm gonna check the zucchini and the beans. The beans might be bad, I don't know. I think it's in the morning now. This is all for tomorrow. In the morning I'll do the collard greens, because I think they're best if you pick them in the morning. That way they're kind of fresh. And that's probably about it as far as vegetables. We're getting down to the end. Of course, I got carrots are getting kind of close, maybe another week. So, I don't know. All right, I'm going to fill this up. Well, I ain't going to fill it up. Whatever reason, they don't sell very good right now. They never sold. They haven't sold good this year at the farm stand. I don't know why. I'm talking about bell peppers. So, I'm going to go pick some, maybe about 10. And then we'll check the tomatoes and show you what I got, then we'll go over and check the beans. Well, I got some beautiful bell peppers, and I actually just picked 2 plants. I mean, I could fill this thing up if I wanted to. Got some beautiful jalapenos. I got these all from one plant. Big old. But I probably got about 12 or 15 bell peppers, and I got 2 cups, estimated 2 cups of jalapenos. And I went over and got quite a few tomatoes. I did pretty good on tomatoes today. So, I don't know, maybe a quarter bushel. I mean, they're small, but I ate one a couple of days ago on a hamburger. It was small, it was red like that, but it was delicious. I mean, just one of the best ones I've had all year, really. That's all. These came off early dog. They're still going. There's a couple of Cherokee purple in here. They're still kind of going. Here's a pretty nice little Cherokee purple. I see one yellow one in there. So I haven't fertilized, sprayed them. I had two big slicers. They must have been red deuce. That's probably about this big. I've been kind of watching them, saving them. Something took a bite out of both of them, so that's aggravating. I saved them for myself, so I wasn't gonna sell them. I was gonna eat them on a hamburger or something. But I probably got a quarter bushel of tomatoes, and probably need to water them. I can't even remember the last time I really even watered them. Probably need to water it anyway, knock the dust down, because I think I'm gonna clean a couple rows out. I don't know. Hopefully next week if I get time. If not, the week after. All right, let's go check the green beans and zucchini. So I got a couple of zucchini. That's not that big a deal. But here's the beans. I don't know if they're any good or not. Not have much snap to them. These are Blue Lake. They're hard, so they're probably not no good. If you knew how to cook them, I think you could probably do that, but the average person, I don't know. Let me get another one. Yeah, I don't think they're... I don't know, can't decide. I'll take it up there and let the boss look at it. See what she says. All right. I've got quite a few. The other variety we had is gone. Of course, these came into prime while we was gone last week on vacation. Now they're a week old, so might see what I can get. I'll let her look at a couple of them and see what she thinks, and I'll see what I can get, and we'll be ready to. I think we'll put this one to bed, so we'll mow it down and run the cutting hard through it, and throw a cover crop on it. So that'll even be next week too. But I do got to do some garlic work, so I'm going to do that next. But let me take a couple of these up here and let her look at those. Down here at the garlic patch, or where it's going to be, it's not quite the garlic patch yet. And you see how weedy it's got. So I'm going to till this thing real quick. I think we got a garlic maybe 2 weeks ago. I've kind of been waiting, or trying to be waiting on some rain. But there's not even I just looked at the 7-day forecast. There's not even rain in sight. Well, I won't wait until this. It's getting awful. Getting them old vines and stuff, so I'm gonna hit this real quick, and this is probably gonna be dusty as I'll get out. And but I need a little bit of moisture in there while I'm gonna put plastic down, biodegradable plastic, and plant the garlic in it instead of the straw like we did last year. I think this way might be a little better. And but you need just a little bit of moisture in there for it to pile up right. So. I'm gonna hit it with a tiller anyway, get rid of these weeds, and hopefully today is what, about the 10th or something like that. So it's getting to be where I need to put it in. But you know, I was wanting to. Well, we'll see. Maybe next week we can get it in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this tilled. see this thing really tills up really good. I don't know what the deal is over here, but it's tilled up really good, and the pumpkins patch tilled up really well. And as far as I know, this has never been touched. It's been, well, since I've been here for 26 or 30 years or whatever. So, but you see how dry it is. I'm gonna have to wait just a little bit once I spray some water down on it or something. So anyway, all right, we just about sold out of mums for today. There's 3 small ones left. We got 3 different sizes this time. We got a $4, a $6, and 8. We got 3 $4 left, and just a few 6. Got several 8s. So sold out pumpkins. So I might walk through here and see if there's any pumpkins ready to go for tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a pretty big day. I hope anyway. All right. Oh, the green beans are no good. So she said they weren't no good. So all that's gonna get mowed over. And we're going to go ahead and do a cover crop on that side. This side I got the little corn over here. I don't know if it's going to do anything or not. I know it ain't got any rain, so I don't know. What do you do, right? It's always something for me. We don't have a whole lot of mums left, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining. I'm tickled to death. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. I've got a little short video Monday behind the scenes. Come and watch it. And support your local farmer. Like I said, everything we sell here, we grow or raise. So little pigs are doing fine. Everybody's doing fine. Little chicks, everything. So give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. And we'll see you down in the farm next video.